Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. 1999 BMW battery location. This car here have no starting problem. We found out the fuel pump. By the way, the fuel pump is under the seat here. We changed the fuel pump. This is the fuel pump, how it look like. And if you notice here, it's all rusted. We did all about our work. We fixed this one. Also, this car have a EWS bypass. You see here, this is the EWS supposed to be sitting somewhere. They took the computer out. They bypass. They do an immo off. Now we don't need any EWS. We just have to jump the two wires. Okay. You don't need the antenna either. The EWS is supposed to be somewhere here. I don't know if it's still there or not, but you don't need it anymore. Some of them sit there. This car have we finish it. After that, you know, there is a problem in the car. Electrical, we fix that. Also, we found that there is a good fuel pressure, but the car doesn't want to work fine. We change all the 6 injectors. We put a new injectors, new coils. Okay. And now this car, you want to crank it for me one more? I like that car. Yes, listen to it. This car have, if you need to communicate, this is something here. This is the place where you can check the car. If this is not available, you cannot communicate with the OBD2. So always try to have this one in the place. This car, the engine computer is located in this area and it's been bypassed. That means you don't need no chip in the key anymore. All EWS computers, you can bypass them. Yes. They call it immo off service. This car is so good, man. Why the alternator light is on? I don't know if it's charging or not, but it may need to be checked. Let me turn it off. Yes, it's okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like, and we will continue to check this car in the future.